Hey guys, welcome back to the art. It's been a long time since I spoke, so I'm here. Hello. Anyways, today I'm just gonna do a pretty Indian sketch, as you can see, and I'm doing watercolors. And I use a pretty limited palette with skin tone, peacock green, and magenta red with yellow ochre for the ornaments. And actually, I used some gold acrylic paint for places where I felt a little bit lazy to color with the yellow ochre and show the shade of gold I'm supposed to with the paint. Anyway, I hope the text will do the working, if not my lips. I'm trying a new technique here. There are a lot of firsts in this video, and I hope you judge me in the comments if I've done anything wrong. But yeah, don't need to tell anything bad. But
if you have any tips, please let us know, and we will surely follow them and try to make better content.
So what I wanted to tell is, as I drew a sheer veil, or let's say a translucent veil on top of the character's body, I am using a desaturated color of the original color to make a lighter color in the bottom of the veil. Hope that made sense. But and on top of it, I'm putting a pretty desaturated magenta pink, which is vermilion plus maroon, I guess. And I'm just covering the whole veil and hope it makes sense, because this is the first time, as I said, I'm coloring translucent items, and I was pretty happy with it. But yeah, now I'm starting to shade. As all drawing steps go, I did a flat wash and did shading on top of it. That's how I do it normally. But for the kurta, I added some sort of shading before adding the veil on. I can't explain my reasons, so please don't ask. Well, this is the first time I used a magenta pink instead of vermilion for her cheekbones and lips and stuff.
And we hope the visuals explain better than our voice.
As I said in the starting, hope the text is doing a better work than my lips. And I'm coloring her eyes purpley grayish color. And I added the shadow for the dimension. I added a dark brown and also a brown less saturated mixed with light purple to give us a little more liveliness, because I guess shadows are made with purple. That's what I've seen in all the videos. But yeah, and now you can see I'm coloring the hair pretty basic. I'm just doing strokes and leaving a little bit of white spaces in the between to show that her hair is lustrous and shiny. And it's pretty basic design, but this is the first time I drew an Indian. Second time actually, but the first time I hadn't shot it, so yeah. And I'm telling you once again, my skills are nowhere up to par, I guess, but this is just the way I like coloring, and hope it suits your tastes. If not, I guess this is not a place you should be. Anyway, I'm just using yellow ochre, as I mentioned previously, and for the hair, I'm gonna add extra strands, which I forgot to shoot. And this is the first time I've drawn such an intricate pattern on the borders of the veil, so please don't expect too much from me. I myself had very down hopes. I was like, well, this is either gonna go really well or we're doomed type video, because I didn't expect myself to draw color this well, and it's been a while since I touched watercolors, to be honest, so I'm quite impressed, and I hope you are too. And my shading is very basic, but if you want better shadings, I guess it's not a video for you. And here is it. Here is the drawing. Hope you enjoyed.